Hello everyone, welcome back once again to your favorite channel, that is StudyIQ IAS English. My name is Praveen Mishra and we are going to discuss another burning topic of the day. Yes, as you can see on your screens, a guy with the arms, and apart from that, a drone flying at the corner as well. Yes, it's about the drone terrorism, right? What is going on? Terrorism is something the biggest cancer to any nation, to any society. And when it is supplied or just, attributed some modern day technology, then it becomes more lethal. And this time, it's drones. Just with regard to India-Pakistan borders, we have seen that how the Pakistani terrorists and other organizations there inside Pakistan are using the drones to transfer the drugs, to transfer the ammunition, the illegal arms and ammunition, using just the drones. That is, it has become now for them quite easy to cross the border through the aerial means and send the drugs as well as the arms and ammunition to the Indian side of their friends, right? So when it comes to the the drone terrorism, it is now the BSF, that is the Border Security Forces, that have taken the cognizant actions. So when we talk about the whole news, here we have the Chinese origin drones. Yes, Chinese origin drones. Pakistanis, they're not that, intellectual and smart enough to create something. So obviously it is China, the one who's feeding these Pakistanis these days, right? Okay. So Chinese origin drones from across the Indo-Pak border supplying drugs, arms and ammunition have become one of the major headache for our BSF, that is the Border Security Force. But headache is there. It's not like that our forces, they are sitting, just and waiting for the next big thing. No, the BSF itself has been now equipped with some anti-drone warfare measures, specifically the name Dronam, that we will be discussing in upcoming next couple of minutes, right? So here we have the news. Just in January 2025, just the news of January 2025, around 60 drones, they were neutralized by the BSF that were coming through the other side of the border, that is from the not so good state of Pakistan. We talk about just the whole year, that is 2024, nearly 260 drones, they were neutralized by our forces. So January 2025, 60 drones. But when we talk about the whole year of January to December 2024, there were around more than, you can see, 260 drones, right? 260 in 12 months and 63 alone just in 1 month of January 2025. So the next big thing here, as we can see, the most affected states in our country with regard to this drone terrorism, is two, that is Punjab and Rajasthan. When we talk about Punjab, so the regions of Firozpur, Abora and Amritsar, they are the most affected. And apart from that, when we talk about the state of Rajasthan, so it is the bordering location of our country, that is Ganganagar, right? So specifically Punjab and Rajasthan, and exact locations in Punjab: Gurdaspur, Firozpur, Amritsar and Abohar, right? And apart from that, when we talk about Rajasthan, so it is one location, that is Ganganagar. These are the locations inside our country which are badly and most affected because of the so-called drone terrorism initiated or ignited by not so good, not so friendly neighborhood. I don't know how they have coined this name, but yes, Pakistan, right? Okay. So what are the initiatives we have taken, making the Indo-Pak border free from any such type of drone activity? Okay, so making the Indo-Pak border free from any sort of drones. So what we have got we have got the Dronam anti-drone technology. Okay, so what is the name? Dronam anti-drone technology, which is developed by an organization that is termed as Gurutwa Systems. Okay, so the drones, they are neutralized using the laser rays that we have inserted in our Dronam anti-drone guns, okay, which are developed by whom? Developed by Gurutwa Systems. So how this Dronam looks like? So this is what our BSF Braveheart soldier, okay, so firstly, a grand salute to the army men. And apart from that, yes, you can see the soldier is equipped with the Dronam. Okay, that is the anti-drone rifle type of thing, you can say. Okay, so this is what? Drone arm, which can be used in 360-degree environment. Okay, and apart from that, yes, uses the laser technology to neutralize such drones. So as you can see, okay, our soldier with the drone arm gun neutralizing what? The drone. Right. So drone arm, just one thing, anti-drone gun, that's fine. Developed by whom? Developed by the Gurutva systems. Okay, so developed by Gurutva systems. It's a cutting edge modular CUAS. CUAS as in counter unmanned aircraft systems. Okay, so basically designed to offer foolproof protection against the drone. Okay, and yes, the most wonderful thing about this drone arm here is the system can be configured as a fully integrated rifle style. Okay, that means you can take it, you can, just move throughout the locations and carry the drone arm in your backpack without any further hustles, without any further troubles. Okay, so it is friendly in use, not user friendly. Army user friendly, the military user friendly, basically what we should say. Okay, so apart from that, it is equally effective in fixed installations. If you want to just keep it at some location and fix it, you can fix it as well. And yes, you can also move along with the drone arm anti-drone gun. Okay, developed by whom? Developed by the Gurutva systems. And when we talk about the measures, so the further measures apart from drone arm, what we have taken. So the force will be getting a specialized anti-drone unit. Not yet we have been given with an anti-drone unit, but yes, works, it is going on. Okay, it's like under process, and very soon, I guess within next a couple of months, maybe 6 months or more, something like that. Means by the end of the year 2025, basically what we can say, our BSF will be provided with or will be equipped with a specialized anti-drone unit. Okay, and next thing, the vulnerable points at the borders, they are equipped with the CCTVs and this one, that is the PTZ. PTZ as in pan tilt zoom. Pan tilt zoom cameras, basically they have look like this. So they are pan, that is they can rotate, okay, and they can tilt as well. So you might have seen such type of CCTV cameras in your vicinity, or maybe at least in movies or OTTs, right? So yes, this is what is known as PTZ camera. PTZ as in pan tilt zoom cameras. Okay, and yes, the Ministry of Home Affairs has also created a very special committee for the sake of drone terrorism, for the sake of counting drone terrorism. And what is the name here? The name is Anti-Rogue Drone Technology Committee. Okay, so it is ARDTC under the supervision of DG, that is Director General of BSF, that is Border Security Forces, right? With a mandate to evaluate the technology available to counter rogue drones. Right, so we have got the CCTVs at the vulnerable points along with the PTZs, that is what? Pan tilt zoom cameras. Okay, and yes, a fully operational, okay, that is a specialized anti-drone unit that will be equipped with drone arm and some other cutting-edge technologies as well. Okay, will be inducted in our border security forces and other forces quite soon. Okay, as what the statement has came from the MHA. Quite soon, as in you can expect it by the end of this year, that is 2025. Okay, guys, so that's it with regard to this concept of drone terrorism. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to our StudyIQ IAS English channel, made just with one purpose, that is to serve you, to convert your status from the common man to an IAS, IPS officers, and so on. Right, so apart from that, if you need to connect with me, so you can connect with me over the two distinct platforms. So the first one is the Instagram, that is with the username Praveen Mishra _2107, and apart from that, you can also connect with me through Telegram, that will be study_with_Praveen. So wherever you are comfortable, you can connect with me and let me know your doubts related to your academics, and I shall be, considering them as early as possible. Okay, everyone, so thank you so much for watching. Do hit the like button as well in case you like the video. And yes, what's your opinion over this drone technology and the drone terrorism by not so friendly neighborhood Pakistan and China? Do let me know your opinion there into the comment section. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Good day. Bye-bye. Take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.